Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money by shopping using Rakuten. If you haven't heard of Rakuten, I'm going to tell you about it in this video, so you definitely want to talk and definitely listen to exactly what I'm talking about. So we're going to get right into it. But first, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. Hit the notification bell, that way you get videos just like this. Like, comment, and subscribe, because when I go on live, I want you to receive any video content like I'm doing right now. So today we're gonna talk about Rakuten. So you know what time it is and you know who this is. This is Adam Shelton and we're gonna talk about Rakuten, a way of making money while you shop online and through your phone too. You can actually use this through your phone. So Rakuten is one of those platforms and it's starting to grow. I'm starting to see more platforms in terms of earning cash while you shop because they see the value in that. And usually they're a place that people like to shop. So let me give you an example. If you look at Macy's, 6% cash back by using Rakuten. Let's look at Hotwire. And also Hotwire or Priceline. Priceline is up to 7%. Look at all these places, that popular places that people go. Look at Macy's, Microsoft, Belk. These are places that people like to shop. So if you like to shop at these places, I recommend you using Rakuten to get cash back while you shop. And why not? And of course, you can actually use more stores. Look at all these stores. They got Saturday deals. They've got different deals, JCPenney, Walmart, popular places that people know of. Now you're probably wondering, how do I get signed up, or is this real? Okay, well I just started an account right here not long ago, started like an account because I wanted to show you exactly how this works. So how you get started is extremely easy, very easy to understand. So all you do, you start out a free account and you actually start out in this little corner here. You'll go ahead, I sign out, but you'll go ahead and connect right there and sign up right here. Then you'll find a store like we were talking about before. You'll literally find a store. You literally can click on see all stores. Look at this, get double cash back. Check that out. So you got Blue Apron, Walgreens, you got Amazon, there's Hotwire right here. Look at all these stores that you can go to. So there's the stores that they have right there, the feature store. These are actually the feature stores. There's actually more stores than that. This is some of the feature stores that it has to offer. So 6% here in terms of Macy's and Walgreens. So you literally you'll go ahead and click on one of those websites. So let's say we click on Amazon. We click on Amazon because we're interested in buying Amazon products. First, you look at the terms and conditions. Of course, you want to see that first, which is right here, which is saying cashback is only available for select departments. And right here, here's the categories. These are the categories for it. And here's all the shop now, 4% on Amazon devices, furniture. Look at that, home improvement, 4%. It goes on and on. So you can actually use this as an example. I want to show you an example, and you can go ahead and get started up to 5%. So if you go ahead and shop at Amazon today, you might as well use this. If you think I'm going to get something from Amazon, use Rakuten. Why not? So let me go back one more time. And also right below this video, I have a link for you can go and get started with Rakuten right away. So right below this video, my recommendation of going ahead and earning money right from home by shopping. So I have a link right below this video, so don't forget. So here's another example. I'll give you one more example. Look at Hotwire. I was looking at this earlier and check this out. Check this out, this stat right here. Rakuten members have been cashing in since 1999. And here's what members earn so far from Hotwire. $5 per order, but a total of $1,133,325. That's how customers has totally earned since 1999. So $5 per order is pretty good, because let's say you were going to go use Hotwire anyway, you're going to get money back. Plus, if you have a credit card that's designed to give you cash back, you'll get cash back from that credit card, and you get cash back right from Rakuten through Hotwire. So you win, and then you win some more. That's what it's all about. That's the American dream. That's the American way. Winning when you can, because you deserve to win. Because I know you've been searching around looking for ways to make money online. Well, you came to Adam Shelton here on my channel, my video, and I'm here to teach you and show you ways how you can do it. And this is one of several ways you can actually do it. So That's all you do. Let me go back. There's one more step here. One more step here. You go ahead and shop like we were talking about, and then you get paid by PayPal or check. So you just set up your PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, you just go ahead and put your email in there, and it's very, very easy to go ahead and do. So here is, here's the breakdown on it. See, start with Rakuten and find your store, shop, get paid by PayPal, and you just connect your PayPal account. When you build your account, you just connect that together. It's all you do. It's really, really easy. Look at that, double up on cash back. You can load it up on your Android device right here. You can actually do it right here. Get apps only savings on your Android, so you can basically shop right through your phone, your Android device, or your Apple device as well. Earn in-store cash back when you go ahead and shop through those stores. There's a couple of popular stores there. And of course, you can actually earn cash back by referring to a friend, $25 or plus. We just might have that plus because sometimes it could be more money based on the promotions or any type of bonuses that is offering to earn back cash when you refer somebody. So that is a powerful, powerful mechanism because you can earn cash back just by referring anybody, to be honest with you, as long as they go ahead and sign up, of course. So that's all I got in this video here. Right below this video, go ahead and get signed up. I do have a link where you can go ahead and build your free account. It's a free account, and you can go ahead and start shopping at any of these places that you see here: Amazon, Walmart, eBay, some of the popular places. I know you've been wondering. It's, today's one of those days, I'm going to shop. Why not use Rakuten? I have a link right below this video. You can sign up right now, and I want you to start shopping. But more importantly, I want you to start to make extra money because you deserve it. That's all I got. Go ahead and click on the link below to get started, and I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait.